In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate through the Citizens Bank website to access customer support promptly. Whether you're looking for assistance with your personal banking or simply need to make an inquiry, this guide will direct you on how to reach Citizens Bank's customer service effectively. To begin, open your web browser and type in Citizens Bank into the Google search bar. You'll see the Citizens Bank official link appear amongst the top results. Click on the link titled Citizens Bank Personal and Business Banking Student Loans. This link should direct you to Citizens Bank's homepage, which is your starting point for accessing their various services and customer support options. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. The homepage is designed to be user-friendly with clear navigation for both personal and business banking needs. Next, locate the Contact Us option, which should be visible at the top of the page or within the menu options. Click on this link to open the Contact Us page. This